This is the confirmation of the prophecy given on the 27th of January 2023 by the prophet of God, Reverend E.S. Emeka, concerning the flood that occurred in Ogidi market in Anambra State. According to the prophecy, he said that a heavy downpour will occur, which will destroy a lot of properties, and every weak building will fall. He further prophesied that a building materials market in Ogidi, behind the expressway that travels through Onitsha and Enugu, will experience a flood that will destroy a lot of properties and even affect residential buildings if care is not taken. He also admonished the local government and people in charge of the market that carefulness and necessary prevention is the only solution to this. On the 5th of September 2024, an overflow caused by a very narrow drainage system resulted in the flood that destroyed millions of goods and larger sections of the Afiekwe building materials market in Ogbunike via Ogidi at Idemili North and Oyi local government area of Anambra State. We pray for God to provide for the affected traders. Now let us listen to the prophecy.
God is taking me to Anambra, a particular market in Anambra, building materials, Ogidi. Building materials, Ogidi. Because this year, there will be a heavy downpour that will cause a lot of flood. This year. Any house that is not strong will go down this particular year. A market in Anambra called Building Materials in Ogidi, Anambra. And this market, the flood barged into this market and caused erection that pushed down a lot of buildings in that area that affected other people's building, like residence building. Let the markets and the local government take note of this message so that you will not have much damage. It's coming this year. Ogidi building materials along Express, Onitsha, Enugu Express. Behind it, it will occur and destroy a lot of things. This is what God says to let people know. Carefulness to control the flood we serve. It's not a prayer controlling the flood. That's the only thing that we serve. May God bless somebody. Thank you.